You look like you make an excellent bricklayer, chef.
I'm shit at DIY. Can't do it for toffee. I'm not allowed near a drill at home. Same as gardening, not allowed. I kill things. Hello, my name is Richard Bertinets and today I'm at the Gozney kitchen where I'm going to show you how to make my best ever cinnamon buns. Okay, for the cinnamon bun, the first thing I'm going to show you is to make the base dough. So it's made with a strong bread flour, fresh yeast, we got some milk, eggs, sugar, a bit of salt, sea salt, and a lot of butter. So the first thing we'll do is put all our wet ingredient at the bottom of the bowl, and then rub the yeast with a bit of flour over the top. Then put all the flour, our salt, castor sugar, and then the soft butter. We're going to use a dough hook for this. We're going to mix the dough about 4 minutes on slow speed, and then we're going on speed number 3 for about 8 minutes on this one. It's a bit tighter, so we can roll it later on. Right, the dough is nearly ready now. It's all come together. I'll put it on the table, just finish it off by hand. So the dough is nice, strong, but I need to give some shape before it goes to rest. So just a few folds. That's all there is to it. Tiny bit of flour in my bowl, in here, covered, and let it rest for about 45 minutes. It'll be perfect. Okay, so while the dough is resting, I'm going to show you to make the cinnamon sugar. Soft butter, and I'm going to use a paddle for this. Go on medium fast speed for this. When the butter is nice and soft inside the mixer, I'm going to start adding the sugar. We've got some soft brown sugar. We'll make sure it's really, really soft and well mixed together. And then we add the 2 good teaspoons of ground cinnamon. The good thing with this also, you can make a lot of it and freeze it. It's nice and soft, a beautiful color. I'll put this aside for later. Leave it ambient, don't put it in the fridge. Butter, sugar, must not too like. Okay, now it's time to make the cinnamon buns. The dough has been rested for about 45 minutes. Here we go. Nice and soft, but not too soft so we can't roll it. Our cinnamon butter is here ready. Make the magic happen. So a little flour on my table, and then tip the dough over. So I use the top of the dough down, flat it up with my hand a little bit. So make sure it doesn't stick, just a little flour at a time. Beautiful dough to work with this. So around about 30 centimeters height, and the length, not far from a meter. Lift it a little bit, make sure there's a bit of air underneath so it doesn't stick to the table. Keep it square. So now I'm going to spray the paste on top. Again, try not to put too much paste. The more you put on top, it might melt and make it all very messy. It's quite powerful in flavor, so you want to smear the paste everywhere, but not overdoing it. So now the trick is to fold the dough. And that should make about 24 buns. Now I'm going to cut some strip. The first one is always a bit bad. Try to get all the same size. Then we just push them down a tiny bit and cut 2 more strips on the middle like that. Then we plait them and roll them over themselves. You could bake them like that on a flat tray too. It's quite nice. Actually, we might do 2 trays, we'll see. So that's our buns done. As you see, I should be able to do 24. I was very greedy with the first one. We're going to proof them now for about 30 to 40 minutes and put a bit of egg glaze on top and bake them in the oven. Right, you can see now the cinnamon bun there, nearly double in size, and they're just ready for the oven. So again, I'm going to put some egg wash, just egg and a bit of salt with it. And just very gently brush them, not too much, just enough, a little bit everywhere. It's smelling incredible already, so when they come out of the oven, the whole kitchen will smell of cinnamon. Again, we're going to bake this at about just under 200 degrees in the oven. And a nice color, but still soft inside. See you later. So the oven is at just 200 degrees now. So you leave the door slightly ajar. So we reach about 190, 180. It should be just perfect. Okay, time to check the cinnamon buns. Yes, all done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Nice and soft. Gorgeous. And it cool down a little bit, and you can put some icing on top, just icing sugar, or make some watery icing to drip on top, but keep it simple. The smell is incredible. Can't wait to try them. Okay, the final touch now. Tiny bit of icing sugar. They're still warm. I can't wait to try them. Here we go. I love this. Look at the inside. Just ripping apart beautifully. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Beautiful. Actually, if you want the recipe, go on the Gozney website, gozney.com, and check out the videos, and all the recipes are all there for you. And the last time I used a drill, I make a hole in a, I wanted a tiny little hole. The hole was like that for a bracket for TV. I got such a bollocking from the wife.